There was a time when small things made you happy. A beautiful sunset, laughing with friends, having a deep conversation with someone close. But now, nothing feels exciting, nothing feels fun. Do you remember the first time a game thrilled you? Or when a video made you feel deeply emotional? Today, those same games, those same videos, that same excitement feel dull. And you wonder, what happened to me? The truth is, nothing is wrong with you. But something is happening to your brain. Think about your childhood. Back then, even small things made you excited. Getting a piece of chocolate felt special. Meeting a new friend was a big deal. Watching a movie felt like an adventure. And today, all of that feels boring. Why? Because your brain is now addicted to more, faster, and stronger dopamine hits. Before, happiness required effort. You had to make friends, learn a new skill, achieve something to feel good. But today, one button, instant entertainment, one swipe, endless videos, one click, thousands of memes, one game, constant rewards. The real problem is not that these things exist. The real problem is that you've forgotten how to live without them. You don't even realize it, but you've slowly become an addict. Dopamine is a chemical that makes you feel pleasure and excitement. Whenever you experience something new and fun, your brain releases dopamine. The first time you played a game, used social media, or watched a viral video, your brain was flooded with dopamine. It felt amazing. But here's the problem. The more dopamine your brain releases, the more it craves. Watching one video was fun. Now watching one video is boring. So you watch 100. Playing one game was exciting. Now that same game feels dull. So you keep searching for new ones. Your brain has raised its expectations so high that normal life now feels boring. It constantly demands more dopamine hits every second, and when it doesn't get them, you feel empty, restless, even depressed. You are not the problem. They designed it this way. This didn't happen by accident. You didn't become addicted by mistake. It was engineered. Tech companies know your psychology better than you do, and their goal is simple. Keep your attention trapped. TikTok, infinite scrolling, so you never stop. YouTube, autoplay, so you keep watching. Instagram, reels, so you keep swiping. You think you're free? No. You're like a lab rat, pressing a button for tiny dopamine hits, while they make billions of dollars off your attention. Now, you're probably thinking, if this is so addictive, how do I break free? The answer? Dopamine detox. Step 1 is a 1-week digital detox. Your brain needs time to reset. For 1 week, cut out social media, gaming, binge watching. On day 1, it will feel weird. On day 2, it will feel uncomfortable. On day 3, you will start to feel different. Step 2 is reintroduce. Slow dopamine activities instead of fast dopamine. Switch to slow dopamine. Do workout. Your brain will release dopamine naturally. Read books. Your focus will return. Spend time in nature. You'll feel good without any external stimulus. Now you have 2 choices. First one is keep doing what you've been doing. Keep scrolling, keep swiping, keep wondering why you feel empty. Second one is take back control of your life. Control dopamine. Don't let it control you. So, which path will you choose? Comment below and share this with someone who needs to hear it.